The rest today we're going to talk about what are the biggest advantages of buying rental properties. The first one is passive income. Perhaps the biggest benefit of owning rental properties is the passive income that you get. Why? Because your involvement is very little and you continue getting that cash flow on a monthly basis. It's a great supplement to retirement, or it could just be your retirement plan. Also, the tax on the income is treated differently as income tax, so there's some benefits behind it. And you should always contact your tax advisor just to confirm this information, since I'm not a tax advisor. Number two is the flexibility to sell at the right time when the market calls it. When you have a rental, you dictate when you sell your property. The market goes down, you continue renting the property and cash flowing. The market goes up, you terminate the lease and sell it. Very simple. Number three, having the option of moving back. Even though we don't plan to move back, but the fact that we have the flexibility in case that something happens to your property, you need to do a major repair in your main home, you have a place to stay, or you simply want to sell your main primary property. Now you have more options, and therefore you can make better decisions and not lose thousands of dollars by rushing through the process. The number four is appreciation. No matter what the market does, real estate is going to continue going up. You can see it historically, even on the biggest collapse on the market in 2008, where real estate bounced right back after a few years, and it's actually more expensive now than it was on the peak in 2006. So real estate will always go up. It's just a matter of time. The beauty about having a rental is if it goes down in a short-term basis, it's okay, no problem. You continue renting until it's the right time to do so for you to cash in. Five is just simply diversification. If you're investing in the stock market, invest in real estate, invest in Bitcoin, diversification is another reason why you want to invest in real estate and not only in one particular asset. I know a lot of you have your 401k 529 plan for college for the kids. You know, you're planning, you're setting up retirement plans on the stock market. But what about diversifying with real estate? And number six is because I say so. No, seriously, I've been in this market for 20 years. I've done 3,000 transactions. I've made every mistake you could think of. And even on my worst mistake, when I bought a rental at the peak of the market, if I had it today, I will be killing it even more than I'm killing it now. So I'm more convinced than ever that as long as you have a plan, stress test your properties to make sure that if the market goes down, you can still cover your liability. And you put a plan in place, keep buying away, you're gonna do great. Keep some reserves. Remember, this is Jorge with Grayson Investment Group, where you invest and we do the rest.